So let's just take a little 2-second pause on this video. So as the title states, the better looking Mazda Miata? Personally, to me, it is, because I chose this car. Obviously, if I thought the Miata was a better car, I would have chosen that one. And again, this is personal preference. When I say better car, I mean better to me. So I'm not putting down the Miata or anyone that owns a Miata. If the Miata still wasn't being produced, then we would not have had this partnership to make the Fiat 124 Spider. Personally, for me, I just like the styling better on the 124 Spider and the turbocharged engine. It's a little 1.4 liter, but I've had a good amount of turbocharged cars. I love modifying my cars, and I know it's a little easier to extract power out of a car that comes from the factory with a turbocharger already. Oh, and it doesn't hurt that these little 1.4 liter multi-air turbocharged engines sound absolutely incredible. I gotta say, it's probably in the top 3 for me as far as the best sounding 4-cylinder engines. So to me, it actually was the engine and the styling, which is kind of the exact reason why people would go choose the Miata over this car, because some other folks prefer the styling of the Miata, prefer the naturally aspirated engine. So what do you think? What do you like better? If you own it, obviously that decision has been made. Drop a comment. I want to hear from you guys. And if you don't own this car, a Mazda Miata or a Fiat 124 Spider, which one would you choose? Be sure to drop a comment, let me know, we'll chat in the comments, subscribe for more, thanks a lot.